In this video, we are going to cover the question that is how to add student documents once the application for the student has already been added, because this action button on the student tab is not editable after you add the application. So what you can do is you can type the name of that student. Let's say I'm typing the name. So after that, I'll open the profile of that student. So after opening it, you can see there is a tab called Student Documents, and here you can see there are multiple options or multiple stages mentioned where you can add documents respective to the name mentioned. So I've covered how to add the documents if an application for the student has already been added. Thank you for watching this video.